Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 728 self-dividing number. So a self-dividing number is a number which is divisible by every digit that it contains. Okay, so here is a given example 128. 128 is divisible by 1, 2 and 8, means all three digit is dividing the number 128. So 128 is a self-dividing number. But in this question, there is given a left value and right value. Inclusively means left and right will be included. So here is given a left and right. You have to return all the number which is self-dividing number between 1 and 22, including 1 and 22. Okay. So these all are the number which is self-dividing. So let's means 1 is divisible by 1, 2 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the single digit is divisible by itself. 11 is divisible by both 1, 12 is divisible by 1 and 2, 15 is divisible by 1 and 5, 22 is divisible by 2, 2. Okay, so you have to return all the digit, all the number which is between, including 1 and 22, which is self-dividing number. Okay. So let's do this. First I will create a vector answer which will store the answer, and then for int I equals to left, I will start from the left, okay, and then I equals to right inclusively, so equals to, and then I plus plus. I will do if self of I, self dividing is a function I will create, just wait. If it is true, then I just have to do answer dot push back I, okay, return answer. Let's create the bool self function which will int I, which will take integer value, and then bool flag equal, bool flag is initially false, int n equals to I, while n is greater than 0. Then I will do int res, which is remainder, and modulo 10. If res equals to 0 and I modulo res is not equals to 0, then I just have to return false, okay, and by equals to 10, and after this I will return the true. Let's run this code. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Let's submit this. Thanks for watching.